and welcome to the Danfoss Smart Store. Today we will look at our store monitoring and management system. Starting point is the System Manager, the supervisory solution for the AdaptCool ecosystem and other auxiliary controller in the store. Every case controller, pack controllers, HVAC, lighting, gas sensor, energy meters and gateways can be connected to the System Manager to ensure food safety and store optimization. At enterprise level, our Access Cloud solution provides monitoring across numerous stores. Let's take a deeper look at our System Manager. We have two interfaces designed to give operator a full visibility and control, a local touchscreen for on-site control, and a remote access via StoreView Web browser interface. System managers ensure efficient, secure, and future-ready operation in food retail environments globally. It also complies with cybersecurity standards such as NIS and RED, and it maintains backward compatibility with selected legacy systems. The System Manager supports energy-saving applications, tailored food retail applications like suction optimization for pack controllers and adaptive railing control for cases and cabinets. And it integrates seamlessly with Allsense Cloud and natively connects to Danfoss field bus devices and Modbus TCP/IP. It can also connect to third-party platforms via XML interface and selected third-party field devices. With StoreView Web, you get an optimized user experience through a secure remote access for operating the System Manager. StoreView Web offers multi-platform support, allowing access via browser, desktop, and mobile devices for convenient monitoring. Security is prioritized with independent updates separate from AKSM 800A firmware. By combining StoreView Web and the KSM 800A, you can improve operational efficiency, reduce downtime, and assure peace of mind. For store optimization and food safety, there is a need to have data, not only from the refrigeration, but from the whole store. Here is where energy meters come into play. They monitor the energy consumed in the installation. For example, here in the Smart Store, we have 51 energy meters for in-depth energy analysis. The DGS gas sensor can detect refrigerant leakage in the system, enhancing the store safety. And the X-Gate is a gateway that allows you to connect third-party devices to the System Manager. Allsense is Danfoss Cloud platform for retail chains, enabling remote monitoring and performance management across all the stores. It identifies opportunities for waste reduction and operational saving, supporting both technical and non-technical users. Allsense ensures food safety through guaranteed temperature control and optimizes energy use remotely, while not eliminating on-site visit entirely. It resolves day-to-day issues remotely, saving maintenance costs. Allsense also secures data with restricted access, providing peace of mind. The true power of Allsense is its ability to identify the best and worst performing store across the chain, so the correct action can be taken, whether the retailer is wanting to see which store is generating the most alarm, to see how different contractors are managing the case setting to provide the optimum temperature quality and reduce the risk of food loss, or see which store energy consumption is consistently higher than the calculated baseline, once the data normalized to account for local variances. Allsense also provides the digital tool necessary to ensure the contractor or technician can react quickly to critical issues and not waste time chasing after noise alarms. They can create custom smart alarm logic and trigger an alarm only when multiple conditions relating to a specific equipment is met. And they can fix this issue remotely, preventing unnecessary service calls, wasting less time and cost. Correct and efficient monitoring is essential for effective supermarket management. Danfoss offers a complete range of products that enable the implementation of optimal protocols and strategies for improving installation efficiency, ensure food safety, and peace of mind. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to check out our other videos for food retail solutions.